You are able to trade binary options on stocks, currencies, indices, and commodities in real time as we are connected to all major stock exchanges in the world. Trading on our platform is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Simply select an asset you want to trade using the drop-down menu, then choose an expiry time. Notice the Trader's Choice bar. This tool shows you what direction other traders are choosing. Another useful tool you will find is our online graph, which shows your asset of choice in a 1-hour time frame line chart. Click Call or Up if you predict that the expiry of the asset will be higher than the level currently quoted. Click Put or Down if you think it will be lower than the level currently quoted. Type in the amount you would like to invest in the option, making sure that the investment details are correct. Then click Apply. Now, wait for the option to expire. Your investment will be displayed in today's open positions. Follow your positions through the interactive profit graph. When the option expires, your account is immediately credited. It's that simple. In order to start trading, click Open Account on the home screen. Take a few minutes to fill in your personal details accurately. Remember to keep your username and password safe. After filling in all the details, click the Submit button. To have funds instantly available in your account, use your credit card or any of the other available deposit methods. It's easy and completely secure. We give you a winning edge by summarizing all the major business events